My dear students, and I'm so happy to write something to you in this book. I'm so happy to see you pass the exam, my beloved students, and I just want to say congratulations for passing the exam with great result. So I have nothing for you but this book, and I'm so proud to be your teacher. I know you are a hardworking student and keep working so hard. So this is a book for you from me as your teacher. So I wish you the best of luck and I will send you this book. Good luck, my beloved students.
Hello teacher and hello everyone. Today I'm so happy that teacher Dek Rean he gave me this free book and it costs a lot so I don't have the money to buy it, but he gave me this book and with no argument. And I'm so happy that he gave me this free book. I'm so grateful that he is my teacher because he's my best teacher in the whole wide world. And I want to say to teacher Dek Rean, I'm so happy to be your student because I'm the luckiest student to you because you always treat me so nicely and then you give me this free book and you never ask for money. So thank you so much. And I hope you have a great day. Goodbye teacher and goodbye everyone.
First of all, I would like to pay my respect for my teacher, Dek Rean. I am so excited to know that you will send me your special book as a gift for my successful examination. My respectful teacher, I have studied with you for 2 years ago, so you always encourage me to be a hardworking student and also motivate me to be a continual learner. Anyway, I profoundly thank for your heart of gold and I wish you 365 days of luck from the bottom of my heart. Moreover, I know that you will not want anything from me back, but you just want to see me being a hardworking student, so you will be so glad for sure. Ultimately, let your heart be light, and from now on, your problem will be out of sight. From me, Sok Wan Reksa. Wish you 365 days of luck, healthy, property, and prosperity in this year and the years to come.
Thanks, Amelia teacher, for giving me able free when I passed the exam with a good result and wish you to be good, healthy, and success in your life, teacher. Wish you the best of luck from me, Paul, and goodbye, teacher.
Hello. Thấy sát. Ở đây. Giờ phải cái này. Giờ tuần này là các bạn ở con bạn mới thơm mà. Ní ông sẽ đây cả. Ní sẽ phải ní. Chị An á. Bà sẽ cả. Sao chị An phải lấy đây?
Bà sẽ cả camera chắn thòn. Bà sẽ cả chuốn mà làm.
Nè ngày quạt nhàឧបត្ថម្ភ sponsor ណាហើយចែកដល់និស្សិតហើយឯនេះស្រុកណា
ស្រុកបវលបង
អូបើស្រុកថ្ងៃនេះណា
ស្រុកថ្ងៃនៅបាត់ដំបង
អត់ដបងឯងចូលរៀនណារៀនចប់ហើយណា
ចប់ហើយ
ធ្វើការណា
ហើយ
សភៅយកទៅរៀនដែររៀននេះចង់បានយូរហើយណា
ចង់បានយូរហើយឃើញតាំងពីលោកគ្រូរបស់ខ្ញុំដំបង
តបតបានទិញហើយណា
តមានលុ
เรา
យ
មានលុយមាន sponsor ត្រូវបណ្ដោយ
ស្មនហ្វាបាត់ហើយ
អរគុណច្រើនណាខែ
ចា
ជូនពរសុខសប្បាយก่อน
នេះសកលវិទ្យាល័យពុទ្ធកវិទ្យាល័យប្រសិទ្ធរៀនហ្នឹងគឺជាកន្លែងមួយដែលផ្ដល់ឱកាសដល់ប្រសង់ក៏ដូចជានិស្សិតមករៀនណាបាទសង្ឃថាឥតគិតថ្លៃបាទកន្លែងហ្នឹងបាទហើយមានសណ្ដាប់ធ្នាប់ល្អបាទខ្ញុំក៏យកទៅដាក់នៅក្នុងបណ្ណាល័យនេះបាទអូណា
mơ rút này đến tôi chứ bạn nhóm có bà kênh sập hơi bà đặt côn năng vô nó đạn ở khăn đông mà nà lầy bà xe nổ rìa chứ ná nèนี่คือเชื่อมันนาไลเด็กสภาเด็กยมด่านั้นคือเมียนชั่วโมงบาสิกาขนมหนังสลายไทยตามระยะบาสิกาเสถียรเทวีนะบ้านนี่คือกะไลมันนาไลสงบสงัดนายนิสัตบ่เยอะคือเมียนปนนิสัตเยอะมาศึกษานั้นก็อาจโยสภานังเมื่อหรือกับคุปปีเมื่อบานนั่นนะเราสำหรับบางปนเยอะแต่อันมีหลักเพียบเชี่ยวก็อาจคุปปีจะตกเรียนบ้านนะไอ้นิสัตเยอะเราขนมสกอลเชียร์ไรหล่ออ่ะมันนับหนอบหล่อกรุบซองไอ้นั้นในขนมกบาลประเกณฑ์สภาดอลสำนักสักคลามันตอนมีหลักเพียบไปด่าทั้งออเต้บ้าจีเพียบแนวสักซอยนั่นเลยในเด็กคนเน้นก็มาเรียนในตามนังเตยจังครับบางปอนบ้านี่นิสัตเยอะปอนนิสัตมาไว้บางปอนได้มีหลักเพียบไปอาชิวสภามันท่าสภาขยมไม่ยอดด่าตามนาไล่ไอ้จังหล่อบางปอนบาทไปซองโลกบาลเรียนโซนนั่นคือการฝึกบอลหล่อบาทจะฝึกบอลประกอบด้วยปัญญาเนี่ยบาทลงโยนตัวเรียนตัวเจดังโยจงในตัวปรางสกุลหล่อบาทไอ้นิสัตเยอะก็กอดอาจโยตัวมือโยตัวไอ้บานยังจะการมันดอกปูปัญญาจังครับบาทไอ้นาตามนั่นคือจำบานจูนปอนได้กอดเรียนอังเลคลาไอ้ภาษาคือปอนนวัดนั่นไอ้บาทกอดมันนวัดไอ้สวยสะอาดฮะเรื่องเราไปจะอ่านสภาพไว้เห็นไหมชีวิตกรรมกรเธอปนละก็ที่ยินแต่งแต่จุดสรามอยู่ตัดดอทบักโอนสับ ôm lớn mơ mê sông về lẽ đừng nè cồn hồ ắt lá mai ơi cồn nâng cục bể về ly nực miên ngày chùm chân con rôn nơ công pri rôn ni miên mai nơi cái bài rồi mong tiết lá mai cứ chiếc đèn lẻ bóng trung giang hót nơi đèn chất đèn praan như khai chỉ chim biếm tung ngất xa ơi úp sang rộp bồn mai cho mình rơi rịa lại ni hơi chân ai trong oi tay cồn ban lo cậu mà lúc đam chờ cái bài tô mai tay áo bùm áo còn không sắc xa từ miền anh cất lo cậu có sầu mai tha nâng thưa bia thăm mò tu sana prasad ông cô hỏi bận to từ bí phút lô nâng mà hộp chăng chun mà bên ní bắt mai sau tay cái đầy sầu mái cồn miền
បប្រេងសារីពេលកូនជោគជ័យតែគ្មានវត្តមានម៉ែតែកូនសន្យាធ្វើមនុស្សល្អអត់ប្រែប្រឹងរូបម៉ែកូនរូបទាំងមានសង្ឃឹមពេលដែលកូនអស់សង្ឃឹមក្នុងជីវិតពាក្យពេចន៍របស់ម៉ែនៅតែជាកម្លាំងចិត្តសម្រាប់កូនមានថ្ងៃនេះដោយសារម៉ែកូនសន្យាថានឹងប្រឹងរស់នៅលើភពផែនដីនេះធ្វើជាមនុស្សល្អនិងគំរូដល់សង្គមដើម្បីបំពេញបំណងរបស់ម៉ែដើមលំដើមឈើក្បែរខ្ទមម៉ែតែងអប់រំឲ្យកូនខំសិក្សាទើបមានអនាគតល្អកូនក៏ស្រមៃថានឹងធ្វើផ្ទះថ្មទស្សនាប្រាសាទអង្គរហើយបន្តទៅពីភពលោកនឹងម្ហូបឆ្ងាញ់ជូនម៉ែពេលនេះបាត់ម៉ែសល់តែក្តីស្រមៃកូនមានបប្រេងសារីពេលកូនជោគជ័យតែគ្មានវត្តមានម៉ែតែកូនសន្យាធ្វើមនុ